Hey, thanks for giving me a minute to tell you about this new program because I'm really excited about it. I believe that everything from the boardroom to the bedroom should please you. So I've created this Fast Track to Pleasure program so that you can get laser focused on what your top life priorities are right now, and then make the journey to getting better outcomes in those areas pleasurable. That's it. Maybe those areas are your career, your relationship, and your weight. Maybe it's your home environment, your spirituality, and your sex life. Whatever they are for you, you can use this program in a very short amount of time to get focused on what it is, what you want, and I am going to personally help you strategize the way to get there that's productive and pleasurable. Sound good? Well, scroll down below, read all the details, and I hope you will join me and register today so that you can take advantage of the bonuses and start having more fun tomorrow.